Good evening, all of you, and I hope you all are fine. Today, reason for making this video is as we all know, tomorrow is solar eclipse. So regarding this, I want to share some info with you all. I know it's not a very new info for you all because nowadays the whole YouTube net is filled with solar eclipse, what you should do and what you should not do during this. But I'm not going to talk about this. I have some interesting idea. Maybe people must be aware of it, but then too I thought I should share with all my dear friends. So let's begin. Eclipse is a good time for chanting mantras and meditation. But the problem here is most of the people tell we don't know any mantra, we don't know how to recite mantras, so how we are going to do it? Some people say, okay, हम YouTube चालू करेंगे और फिर करेंगे. Good idea. Some people say, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, मैं तो कुछ नहीं करूँ. But I have a very interesting idea. 2 days before, I was talking to my godmother, and I was telling her all are telling me कि I don't know this, I don't know that, my pronunciations are bad, so what to do and everything. So she told me, Neha, what do you feel? Chanting mantras is only a way of worshipping God. I said, maybe even though I don't believe, but I need to believe because all people think that. If you do any puja, the puja is not complete. If we don't say any mantras, we need to Brahmin say mantras and only the puja is complete. So she said, yeah, fine. But she says, as an individual, what do you feel? What is worshipping God? So I said, helping others or thinking good of others. She said, yes, I agreed with it. But think something else. What can you think? I said, I can't think beyond that. So she told me, I'm going to tell you something very interesting. I would like to share something very interesting with you. I said, okay. So she said, this time you just take pen and paper. I said, why? I don't know how to write mantras in Sanskrit or so. So she said, no, to draw. I said, I don't know how to draw God. It's very difficult. How I can draw Krishna, how I can draw Ganpati and all. So she's telling no. So she said, no need of drawing the whole figures. She introduced me to the concept called magic stick figures. So when I was listening to all this process, very curious to know what is this. So she said, okay, take a pen, paper, draw a basuri, draw a peacock feather, draw cross legs, something like that. So I said, yeah, I will do that. And then she said, worship that. So when you draw all that, when you're drawing that, what you will think? Which God you will think about? I said, Krishna. Then she said, right, means you're worshipping Krishna. I said, wow, such a good idea. Interesting. And then she told me, if you want to worship Hanuman, just draw a gada. He's flying in the air, just 2 sticks and he's flying in the air. I said, wow, very interesting. And if you want to worship Ganpati, draw a modak. I said, wow, I should share this with all my friends. So I thought, why not share with you all? And if you don't know to draw, also just draw symbols Om Shri, Om Shri Swastik. So I said, wow, really. So don't you feel, friends, this is something interesting and we can do it. And one more very important thing she told me. It's a 4-hour period. So it's not needed. You have to sit and you have to sit at a place and chant mantras. Even though if you chant mantra for 108 times, it's equivalent to 10,000 times of mantras. So I said, okay. And then she told me, for example, if you don't want to do anything of this, you don't know mantras, so you can just recite name of God. You can just say Om Krishna Namah, Om Ganpati Namah. What is that? Whatever you are doing, do it with your whole heart. Think of that God and do it. So I think this information information will be useful for you. And like very important things, what you should avoid during this period is you should not eat or drink. Second is avoid cooking, avoid non-veg, and avoid alcohol. I know there are a lot of people, they must be thinking, seeing this video. Like in this area, she's talking about all this. But friends, remember, it's never too late. You can begin. What is our Asian science has the meaning behind it. So, whatever you feel, see this video, think twice before acting. Like why people say like that? Why people say not to eat? There is some reason. So please, I think if it's possible for you all, please follow it. The rules which are set by our ancestors, it's for our benefit. It's for our benefit. So why not follow it? So I would like to add, like, stay home, stay safe, do not worry, be happy. Thank you.